So Christmas is coming. We got elves as people and reindeer other cars. There's a car just come up behind me. We're in traffic lights. That's full collision warning. There's an elf on the right hand side. A couple of elves coming up on the left hand side. And a dog as well is there. What's for the dog? No, it doesn't recognise that. Just for two elves. Elves on the right hand side though. And lots of cars on the left. Another little elf there. A couple more elves in front. There you go. And when we just park up, if we parked, here we do that. Great stuff. Merry Christmas.